So how much do you earn on social media, or how much are you expected to earn when you are either on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok? This is the question that most people are interested in knowing. This is an area of concern, and in today's video I'm going to be discussing with you, especially for you beginners, how much you can earn, how much you expect, how much you earn, and how much should you earn. I know this is really the area of concern. This is Immaculate, or you can call me Christine, on Immaculate Show. This is a channel that we teach you and we give you the tips on how to earn with your smartphone. A disclaimer: this video is not for is it financial consultation? No, this video is purposely for educational purposes. So if you feel you want to give it a try, please go and have a research about it. You can research from Google, you can research on YouTube, you can research with ChatGPT, anywhere. Then if you love it, you continue doing what we teach you. So categorize it as an education video. We have given you what has worked for you. Let's call it 10% of what we have given you out of 100. So look for yourself 90%. So as we go back to our main topic of today, how much do you earn on social media? Let me remind you, I want to welcome all our new subscribers. You are so much welcome, and we love you so much. And to our engagers, top engagers, we are here because there is someone who has been pushing this channel since day one. So we love you so much. We love you. Now let's dive in and see, how much do we earn? How much do you earn on social media? You guys, this is the area of interest. But as I want to let you know that social media is like any other business. But the only good thing with social media, it is passive. It is, you don't invest anything. What you invest in yourself, you invest in your smartphone, you invest in your idea, and you sit and chill and wait to earn. Do you start earning on a business if you invest today? You're saying you are going to trade, maybe for example, you're going to trade in a hardware. Do you exactly get the same profit you get in 10 years to come? No. So is social media platform. But with social media entrepreneurship, overtaking, growing overnight is allowed. And no one can control you. There's no any customer, there's no any location, there's no anyone who can control you that no, the profit is too much. No. So what do you understand from there? What you need to know when you start today social media business or social media project, get to put something in your head. Number one, you have to grow. Number two, you have to adhere to community guidelines. Number three, you have to know which niche do I go with. A niche is like your project, not like a niche is a project that you're going to start. A niche is a business that you're going to invest in. So the moment you want to earn money, you know, when some people were asking about it today on certain platform, I don't know whether I should put for you a clip here. I pondered on it from hearing it. I said, wow. Someone was like, do you earn like 100,000? 100 is less than, 100 is less than, it's around $20 or less than 20. 100 is something like, 100,000 Ugandan money is less than, is around $30 to $40, I think. So when someone said like that, I said, you cannot withdraw on YouTube if you don't have $100. So meaning you are to earn more than $100. You are to earn more than 100,000 of Ugandan money. Now the time you start like this, one, get to know you can earn 1 million, and get to know you can earn $1. On Facebook, my first money was around $12 in 1 month, $12. But you sit down and say, and as you learn, there are some individuals who have gotten mansions, who have gotten projects. Talk about the individuals from AdSense. No, we are not talking about brand sponsorship. We are not talking about affiliate marketing. When you add up all these, membership, when you add on this, maybe selling digital products like ebooks, templates, when you add on this, you can get too much money. Now, the trick is one. The moment you begin your journey of social media entrepreneurship, you have to learn, you have to run the pace and the race, you have to know what to post and what not to post. All these ones, they make you know, at the end of the day, I need to earn $500, $700, $100. And as a beginner, target for $100 first. You cannot be starting and you say you want to get $10,000. No. People are getting $10,000, but you, as you're beginning, you start with, let me first get my $100, because $100 is a threshold. If you've not gotten $100, you will not withdraw. So target to get your first money. The moment you get your first money, go to the second money. Go to the second cluster. What you need to do every month, like me, I always have my target. My target is always here. The target for the month, I break the target into a week. And a week, I break it into a day. So if things don't work like the way you want, okay, if this video RPM, CPM is low, then let me increase the number of videos. And if this is working well, let me go with this one that is working well. So it's the business of mind. It's a project that you don't have any, there will be humps. There will be humps, but there's somewhere you'll accelerate and there's somewhere you'll break. There's somewhere. No one should ever ask before you start a project. The fact that you know there is money. People have gotten millions. People have gotten billions. People have built. The fact that you know that, you only set your targets. Now, let me go to the drawing board, because you need the basics. What exactly do you need for you to start earning? And I'm going to give you an example for Facebook and YouTube. For YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000, which they are brought down to 3,000. But let me say 1,000 and 4,000. My time, that's what we did. But now the threshold has gone down and you start earning, being monetized. Then for Facebook, like the way you saw our previous video, you need at least to have 5,000 followers. And also it has brought people with 2,000 followers are monetized. So it will depend on how you're running your race, how active you are. Then you should be having a spirit of, of adhering to community guidelines, monetization guidelines. All these ones, the moment you start, you will know. I'll shock you. There are some people who have billions, have millions of views, and they are not earning money monthly basis. Why? Because they are going against the rules and regulations. Some people are buying views. Some people are buying followers, subscribers. Now, come think about it. If you have a shop and you buy people that come to my shop, enter. It means those people, you just bought them to enter. Even if you gave them money and say, if you enter my shop, please buy something. You've not done anything. You've already given them money. So this is where the problem is. Don't buy views. Don't buy subscribers. Sell what you have. Give people a reason to watch you. They might not watch you today. You might get 2, 3, 4, 5. But I shock you, on YouTube, your 10 views would be paid. Yes, you'll be paid. So they might not watch you today, but there is no need. The celebrity life, the famous life of having 1,000 views, of having very many subscribers and followers, but without withdrawing, is not viable. So now from today, if you're a beginner, please pick your phone, pick your idea, be consistent, post what is valuable, post what is what people want to be searching for even in 3 years to come. That is greener content, and we see each other in 1 year. You'll be someone very great. So I think I've answered you. If you've not grasped what I really am teaching about making money online, how and what and where, please write it in the comment section, and let us see each other in the next video. Bye bye.